Hi Dresser Cuties, Whitney here. Today we're going to draw ice cream scoops in a cup. So let's get started. To draw this yummy cup of ice cream, let's first start by drawing a soft curve all the way across for the top of our cup. So I'm just going to start right here and I'm just going to go ahead and just pull a curve to say about right here. One big long curve. Then from there, I'm just going to come right here and round it off. So this is just the top of our cup, the little lip part, and then just go ahead and thicken it up. So just follow the top that you drew. There. So now that we have that, let's go ahead and draw our cup. So we're going to come in a little bit and just going to give myself an angle line on both sides. And then from there, I'm going to pull a line down, just going at an angle. Try my best to match the other side, and so let's keep going. So we don't want it too tall, it's just a shallow cup, so say about right here, and then I'm just going to go ahead and bring it in. So same thing here. To about right there, and then round it off just like the other side, and then go ahead and connect it with another soft curve. There. Okay, so now that we have this very basic cup in, let's go ahead and draw the scoops of ice cream. So today I'm just going to put in 3, but you can put as many as you want. And I'm just going to go ahead right here and just draw this big scoop. So this is the biggest one that I'm just going to try and fill up in this space. Right about here. And then we're going to draw another one. And pop it in about right here. And then one more just to finish it off. So a smaller scoop right up top. There. Okay, so now that that is filled up, let's go ahead and decorate it. So I thought it'd be really nice if maybe put a cherry on top right here. So this is just meant to inspire you. Can't wait to see your fan art. See what you come up with. I'm going to draw a curve right here, and then I'm going to put a stem out here and then just thicken the end for one cherry. And let's add in some of these, oh my gosh, what do you call these? Cookie rolls, I think. So I'm just going to draw this rectangle at this angle right about here. Just stick it in here, and one more. Same thing. And let's go ahead and just draw in some stripes so that we know what it is. There. And on our ice cream, let's add some drizzle to make it extra sweet. Here, let's go ahead and the same thing. We're just going to put a little bit more on this one and one more right about here. Just change it up a little bit. There. And then of course when you're coloring, you can put in sprinkles or whatever you like. And so now that we have our basic cup of ice cream, let's bring it to life. So I'm going to come about right here in this area and draw a big circle for some draw so cute eyes. And we're going to come across, say about right here, and do the same thing. There. Make this one a little bit wider. Okay, so now that my 2 circles in, I'm going to make them draw so cute eyes with 2 small circles inside for highlights. And a curved line at the bottom and shade in the top. And lines at the bottom. And same thing over here. There. So now these Draw So Cute eyes in, I'm going to come to the top of each eye and just draw a soft curve. And in between, let's go ahead and just put in this smile with a tongue sticking out because everybody loves ice cream, right? Super yum. And then I'll cap it off right here. And last but not least, I'm going to add a heart right here on my cup to make this my Draw So Cute ice cream scoops in a cup, or I guess you could call this a sundae. I really hope you love this drawing, that helped you draw it fun and easy today. And if I did, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.